In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GoToMeeting meeting. Whether you're hosting a business meeting, a virtual classroom, or just gathering friends online, setting up a GoToMeeting can be a seamless process. Let's walk through the steps together so you can get your meeting up and running smoothly. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the GoToMeeting website. This is your starting point for creating any meeting. Once you arrive there, allow yourself a moment to familiarize yourself with the site layout, as this will make future navigation much easier. The next step is to click on the Create button. Typically, this option is prominently displayed on the screen to ensure ease of access. Clicking this button will start the meeting setup process. It's your gateway to making all those finer arrangements for your upcoming session. Now we move on to choosing a title for your meeting. When prompted, click on the meeting title space and type in a name that best represents the theme or focus of your session. Choosing a clear and descriptive title not only helps keep your meeting organized, but also ensures your participants know exactly what to expect. After naming your meeting, you'll have a choice between setting up a one-time meeting or a reusable meeting room. The one-time meeting is perfect for singular events where you don't need the meeting to be repeated. On the other hand, a reusable meeting room offers the flexibility to use the same link and settings for future gatherings, which is ideal for recurring meetings or classes. Once you've decided on the meeting type, it's time to set the date and time. Picking the correct date and time is crucial for alignment with all participants. Ensure you're accounting for time zones if your attendees are from various regions. Select the most convenient option, considering all your participants. Next, you can add co-organizers to your meeting. Click on Add Co-Organizers and type a first name, last name, or email address to invite others to help you manage the meeting. Remember, you don't need to include their full names here. Co-organizers can assist with managing participants, screen sharing, and other logistics during the meeting. Finally, everything's in place. Click on the Save button. This confirms all the details you've entered and effectively creates your GoToMeeting session. Double-check your summary to ensure everything is as you desire. With that, you're all set. Your meeting is successfully created, and you can now focus on preparing content or materials you might need for the session. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you use GoToMeeting, the more intuitive it will become. Thanks for following along, and good luck with your